Hello, everyone. Happy to be here. My name is David. I'm the CTO. I'm the CEO and the co-founder of Xpander.ai. I used to be the CTO as well. Now I hired the CTO. I used to work for Amazon for the last 7 years, and I just relocated to San Francisco. So great to be here. And I'm here to show you today Xpander.ai, which is a platform that's designed to simplify your work with AI agents, autonomous AI agents, and adding them backend infrastructure. So the idea of Xpander is that you, as an AI engineer, won't need to deal with infrastructure at all. That's the idea. Really simple. We are now transitioning into the world of AI agents as a product. And I think that everyone you in now that are building and learning about AI agents, in 2026, you will start building real products of agentic applications, either for the company that you work for or either for your own company as a product. So I think that the first approach will be more common. People like you will build agents as a product for the company that I work for. And then the question that I'm asking myself is that I want to make it very, very easy for you to not deal with infrastructure at all. So what an infrastructure means? Infrastructure is the actual runtime, MCP connectors, the triggering system. If you build an agent and you want to add it to Slack, to Teams, to any other system that you want the agent to be invoked with, you will find yourself that it's not an AI work, it's an infrastructure work. It's a DevOps work that you don't need to do. So we built this platform so you don't need to manage databases, you don't need to manage triggering system, and you don't need to manage MCP connectors. So for today's demo, what I'm gonna show you is an AI agent that I built from very zero and adding that backend functionality of a framework that's called Agno. How many of you are familiar with Agno framework? Yeah, Agno. All right, cool. And LangChain? Okay, so you should definitely check. I'm not affiliated with this framework, but we as a backend provider, we work with all the frameworks, and we found out that Agno is the most lightweight one, and it's like LangChain, but very lightweight, very slim, very non-obstructed. So we recommend that for clients since we start using that. Of course, that you can use Xpander with other frameworks, but we recommend Agno just for the sake of simplicity. Okay, cool. I added a QR code, so you have it ready. This is our GitHub repository with examples, so you can today access to Xpander and start building the agent with. I will leave it on, and let's do the quick demo. This one is working, but no. Okay, so let's try to do like that. One, two, three. Okay, cool. Thanks. Okay, so let me show you how easy is it to start with Xpander and add a backend to it. I will do now Xpander agent new, name of the agent workshop. Let's do demo, August, and I can just select the framework that I want. I will choose framework. And what we're doing right now is recreating the backend. We're spinning up for you a Neon database, Postgres database, that will be automatically configured with that agent. And now the agent is ready, less than 5 seconds. I got a C URL that I can just interact with that. Let's test it. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, C URL. You cannot see that. I can make zoom a bit bigger. Yeah, so the agent is live, is answering us. Hello, I can help you with a bunch of stuff. Let's open the backend connectivity screen and show you how cool it is. All right, so this screen, it's the configuration panel for the backend of the AI agent. I can, as you see, it's now live in V2. I just created it a second ago. It's running Agno. You can change the framework later. And you can now use this UI in order to customize the system prompt and to have versioning control for the system prompt, because you need to treat it as a code. And you can add tools from outside the agents inside the agent, so it will be decoupled. You can add connectors, you can add functions, whatever. Let's now add just a code that will do voice. Let's do that. Built-in action. Yeah, and you can also do multi-agent and manage the memory, the connection to the database to it. So once I will click save and deploy. And the last thing that I want to do as an engineer, I want to download the code and to customize it, because it's not a no-code tool. It's a backend for your AI agent. So all I need to do is Xpander agent init. How did I call the agent? Cool. So that's the agent now that I was created a second ago. As you can see, it's already coming with a production grade best practices. So it's getting event with the decorator, and it has a backend configured with the database, a bunch of tools already configured, and everything is ready for me to start working. Let's test this agent out. So I can run it through the VS Code, or I can just use this tester tab to test it. So let's test it. You are in front of 100 people, and maybe you should introduce yourself using voice. What do you think? Please reply politely. Don't say anything embarrassing. All right, let's test it out. I added a generate voice tool for those that didn't follow, and I'm trying to invoke it to see if it will work. All right, so we can see the payload that was generated by the AI to the tool. As an AI engineer, that's the part that we might want to tune the prompt and to customize stuff. And on the second try, it worked. And now let's see what happened. Here is the polite professional, and you can see.
My name is Xpander.ai, and I am here to assist in managing and routing tasks efficiently within this organization. I look forward to supporting your workflows and ensuring smooth operations.
Thank you very much. So very cool. So just less than 5 minutes, we were able to build an agent with the voice capabilities. To wrap it up, I want to show you a few other use cases that are already in production. One of them is our DevOps AI agent. We built something like that for our client, and we use it also in Xpander. It's an agent that's similar to the one that I just built in the last 6 minutes, using also connected to our Kubernetes, and manage our Kubernetes environment using free text. That's another agent that doing a pull request review. So everything was built using Xpander, very simple. The webhook integration to GitHub, and you can see here it's not human; it's a AI bot that actually doing the PR review instead of us. A webhook integration, we handle the webhook infrastructure for you. So once you build an agent in Xpander, all the agents are accessible through webhook. So you can just plug it into GitHub or any other software that you might want to trigger the agent from. What else? Yeah, Slack one. We last week we introduced a new feature that makes it super easy, like one button click to expose the agent in Slack or Teams. So you can just add a Slack backend, and once you will do it, it will look something like that. It will have an icon, and it will know to use Markdown correctly, and it will know how to reply to human, and will do the user authentication. Yeah, so basically all the infrastructure that around the agent. This is a support engineer agent that runs in production as well, that takes care of the entire support organization for us. And if you would now ask a question in Xpander, the first response will come from AI agent. and this AI agent will escalate when needed to a human. So that's another use case that was built on Xpander.ai. Question? Yes.
It knows to escalate to you.
Yeah, so there is a tool that is called a human in the loop that we configured in a way that if the agent is not sure about the answer, it should escalate to a human. And the way that it does that is through a Notion ticket. It creates a Notion ticket, and that Notion the ticket triggers a notification on our private Slack bot and does all the things for us.
Any other questions? All right. So then my question to you is, what MCP server should everybody know about?
About MCP. So right now I will recommend, let's do this one. Right now, I will recommend MCP servers that are official only. I won't recommend you an MCP that are just out there in GitHub, unless you can review the code and see what happens inside the tools. We are still seeing a huge attack surface in MCPs. So I encourage you to just use official MCPs or build your own MCPs. And we can also do that, but I don't have time to show you that, but we can also manage for you the MCP servers. So you can click here and spin up new MCP servers. I use that to steal another minute and spin up new MCP servers, and after you review the code yourself. So that's another tool in the toolbox.
Interesting. Yeah. So it's really exciting where we're kind of in the wild west of the AI agent and the MCP. All of these new tools are really cool. But as David said, it's very dangerous to just get something off of GitHub if you don't know exactly what it's going to do, especially when you're going into production.
Exactly. Guys, really appreciate if you can start the repo. You just started, and we did a GA like 2 weeks ago. So getting the velocity up, it doesn't take a lot of you. Just click on the star button. It means a lot for us. And if you see value from with the platform, it's free for developers. We make the money out of enterprises that do self-hosted. So if you're just building agents, check us out. You will get a database that already cheapest that doing that yourself, because it's on our free tier. It doesn't make any sense to not use it Xpander. We did it in a way that you should drive the force of the new features. So please give us a try and feedback if you see something missing. Yeah, I saw some question over there. Sorry. Yeah.
Only compatible, or
I can't hear you.
it's just compatible with Python frameworks, or
The code itself is compatible with all the languages because we're using JSAI in the backend. So it's we can translate it to different languages. But the higher level abstraction is only Python, because MCP requires Python right now, and Agno is also require Python. So it really depends on what you. But our SDK is supporting all the languages.
Any final questions?
Cool. Was it useful, guys? Like you? Okay. Awesome. Great. Thank you very much.
All right. Thank you, David.